we're about to go jump and stuff. So don't lock the door.
Me? Really? I think I have problems. Oh gosh. Well, the little one can move. The skinny one just... Oh my gosh. Can't even do a cartwheel, apparently. She's so weird. Oh gosh, she just knocked the little one on the ground. Did you see that? Now she's running from it.
That's not my toe. That was fun. So, you just saw me and my niece, and my other niece working the camera.
Hi.
Yeah, we're awesome. See you. She just burped.